Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, we are back up at these highs, but I'm still not really convinced that it is over. I am definitely still looking for longs. I still think it could go up to the 155, 156 area before it actually does end up making a bigger move to the downside. So going down to the weekly time frame, we are sitting at a Fibonacci level, but I still think it needs to sweep these highs, which makes me think that the 100% Fib extension is a more likely place for this to end, which is actually right around the 155 area. I think it's more likely this is going to make like a five-wave trend, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern to the upside, probably ending around the 155, 156 area. So going down to the daily time frame, we definitely do have a fib bounce, which is normal. That doesn't really necessarily mean it's going down in a big way. Now we have to identify on the sort of time frames whether this move is a crescent or not. I think it is going to be a crescent, and I am definitely primarily looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, this thing has been extremely sideways. It looks like a complete trend, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which makes me think that it probably is going to make a move down to take out the low of wave 4. Maybe this is like an A. Maybe this is like a B, and then it goes down and makes a C, and takes out the low, and then later on continues the uptrend. Either way, as of right now, if you trade this very short time frames, like below the 1 hour, then you probably should be looking for shorts in a downtrend. Very sideways. Usually when something is this sideways, I kind of leave it alone. I would prefer to trade something that is trending, but I think there's probably a better possibility that it is going to go down. Hopefully it just goes down to one of these fib levels, but at this point, it probably is pretty likely that it will take out the low of wave 4. If you see it go down to one of these fib levels, make a breaker structure to the upside, then I would definitely exit my shorts and go long for the continuation of the uptrend. But since we are kind of making lower lows, lower highs, the 4 hour time frame definitely looks like it's trying to turn down. I would be looking for shorts on the 1 hour time frame and below until we get this breaker structure to the upside. Once we get that breaker structure to the upside, I would stop looking for shorts and I would start looking for longs again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.